Hey Curly Teas, today we're making a bamboo and nettle rich hydration moisturizer with hemp seed oil and vitamin E. Before you start this process, what you're going to do is warm up 4 to 6 ounces of aloe vera juice and then put your bamboo and your nettle inside this heated aloe vera juice, and you're going to create your tea like this. Bamboo extract is said to contain upwards of 70% silica, which is thought to be great for hair, nails, and the skin. Hemp seed oil is great at softening my hair, so I'm using that more often in hair care recipes. If you don't have Kukui nut oil, you can certainly substitute it with another hair-loving oil. Glyceryl stearate SE is a self-emulsifying ingredient meant to create water and oil emulsions. Make sure to get glyceryl stearate SE, not the regular glyceryl stearate. Jojoba esters is optional. If you don't already have it, you don't really need to buy it. Substitute the amount with alkyl esters, nature silk, mango butter, or a simple oil if you want to. See how it has already thickened? It will thicken to a quite nice consistency. As you can see, the consistency is getting firmer, but it's still smooth. If you want a substantial moisturizer, this is a great recipe. It has the feel of a heavier cream, but doesn't leave the hair feeling dry once it dries. Enjoy this mix, and don't forget to visit CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY recipes, including the full ingredients lists, instructions, my notes, and other information. Follow on social media and become a patron at Patreon if that is more convenient for you. I'll talk to you guys soon.